Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful house. Draw with me. First I am going to draw our house basic structure like this. Now I am going to draw our house roof like this. Great! Now it's time to draw our house chimney. Now I'm going to draw one big door for our house. Now I am drawing one beautiful window for our house. Now I'm going to draw one beautiful circular window like this. Now I'm going to draw one beautiful tree. Great! Now I'm going to draw sun like this. Great! Our picture is ready. Let's color our picture. First I am going to use bright red color for our house. Now I am using orange color for our roof. Great! Now I am using yellow color for our house glass windows. I am using the same color for our sun. Now I am using sky blue color for our chimney. Great! Now I am using purple color for our door. Now I am using dark green color for our tree. Now I am using brown color for our tree's wooden part. Great job kids, our picture is ready. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.